What's going on, YouTube? So I got a 87 Mustang. Just having a problem with it. I'm gonna go over a couple things in this video if anybody's watching, but I got my hood off. Hood's over there. But anyways, I was messing with the car for a little bit. It was sitting for the winter. Just kind of took it back out. It wasn't it was cranking over, but it wasn't starting. And I had a couple things. I was checking a little research, and I know the fuel relay pump, which is right under the seat right here. I don't have a flash right now, but so anyways, supposedly when you get in the car and you click the key for it, you hear the fucking the relay, the fuel pump relay. You're supposed to hear it all wind up. So that was my main problem. So I didn't hear the wind, so I replaced the relay, and still nothing. I didn't get the winding, and it started sitting a little bit longer. So I started doing a little more research, and I figured out about the fusible links. So I realized this isn't obviously how it came done. I had a fusible link from this green 14 gauge wire to my fusible link to the starter solenoid, right? So just a little fusible link, just like one of these down here, just up here, and it was all fucked up and loose, and it actually wiggled off, so it was just floating. So I rigged this shit up, just a little wire, just to test it and see, and that actually did work. But I want to show you another problem that I had. Where is it? It was my EEC power relay, which is over. I'll actually show you where it is. These go pretty bad, and I guess it sends the power relay, the EEC, it sends power to the fuel pump relay. So that's how I got my computer out and shit. It's a little messy, but anyway, because I was just fucking with it. So I'm gonna put my flashlight down. All right, so this is your EEC relay. That's not how it should look. That's what came out of it. I don't know, I'm pretty sure that's factory from fucking 87, believe it or not. But anyways, this thing, I pulled it off just to check it before I even replaced it, and the fucking plug was full of water. So it's definitely leaking through the windshield or something coming in. But anyways, the plug was soaked, so I don't know if you can see this, but I mean, it's bad in there. So that was a problem. So I opened it up. My cousin told me I could open these up. Checked it out. I mean, the thing's fucking junk, clearly. But anyways, I forgot when I turned the key. I'll show you guys in a minute. There's going to be a red light that kicks on right about here with a good relay. So it wasn't kicking on earlier with this bullshit relay. So if you guys are having problems, if it's cranking, but it ain't starting. I mean, there's, like I said, the fusible link. Check the links and shit. Mostly the one going to the solenoid, like the starter solenoid, like I told you guys. So then I went from the fuel pump relay under the seat. I changed that. That was good. I went to the fusible link, rigged something up. Still, it didn't start. It was doing the same thing. So then that was my third step, is the EEC relay. So I actually found this. I actually bought this for my fuel pump relay. It's a multi-purpose relay. I think I said relay 1,000 fucking times. Jesus Christ. But anyways, yeah, I plugged this in. This thing worked. So it's just, I forget how much. I think it was like 40, 50 bucks maybe if even. So I plugged that in, and I see my red light come on, and I got all excited and shit, and I was fucking around with it. And I still had nothing. So anyways, I went inside, tried to watch another video, figure something else out. Anyways, I came back out to do a little video just like this to show you guys what was going on, if anybody could help me. And fucking the second I record the video, I hear the pump kick on under the seat, the fuel pump relay. And that was my problem the whole time. So fucking beats me. I don't know. It worked the second time, not the first. Maybe something electrical tape's too tight. I don't know. I kind of wiggled it a little bit. But yeah, if you guys are having problems, check this EEC relay. I'm sure it's not that expensive. And for me, it started leaking and actually got into that and fucked everything up. So I'll give you guys a quick start. I'll start up, and I haven't heard this thing. That's my hood. Painting my hood. That's the underside of the hood. Pretty sure this is the factory shit. Comes out wicked good. I did my trim with it. I did my trim all around. It's hard to see in the shitty camera. Came out decent. I mean, the car's not in perfect condition, but... So that's my underhood. It was white and beat up, so I just had a little of this shit left over. So yeah, put that hood back on so I can rip this thing tomorrow morning. Yeah, it's my 87 Mustang. I'm gonna give you guys a startup. Thing sounds sick. A little damage. Do a little walk around. But nothing wrong really. I mean, I need a paint job and shit coming out. This is the only thing with the car. Before I bought it, somebody must have hit him. Or he hit something. Left quarter panel. I'm pretty sure I can fix that, no problem. I just got this car recently, so I've been doing a lot of things to it. I got a lot of shit going on right now. I was sitting because of the winter, but I'll shut up and I'll start the car. Probably won't be able to hear me too good. Let's just start it. Because it is a new exhaust and it's pretty fucking loud. But anyways, yeah. I just took all this shit out fucking yesterday. Because I was bored and I want to restore all the trim. I actually have it over there. You guys probably can't even see it, but I have all my parts right there. So I bought some SEM. I think it was like 15183 or something. The number of the bottle. It's the Prestito, I believe. That's the color of the paint. So we're gonna see. There's like smoke gray and shit, but it definitely will make it look better. So I'm gonna restore all that and clean it up. But yeah. It's my 87 Mustang. Need some little bit of work on the interior and I'm good. I'll click on. This is what you want to hear. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's what you fucking want to hear. All right, I'm gonna click my key back again. I'll show you on the computer. You see that little red light? That's a good sign. And I heard my pump, so this thing's gonna start right out. No fucking problem. All right, guys. 87 Mustang, baby. 5.0. Ain't no pussy shit around here. I mean, yeah, she sounds real good. I gotta get new gauge bulbs. Might do a cluster, do a whole new gauge. But yeah, this thing's fucking nasty, man. She's a beauty. I love this thing. Needs some work still, like I said, but a little paint. Obviously, I'm gonna do a paint job, but the thing's sick. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I just figured it out. I just wanted to make the video either way. Last time, I remind you guys, if you got crank, no start on your Mustang, check the fusible links. Check the fuel pump relay under the seat, under the driver's seat for me, because I got an 87. I think they changed it. But it's under the hood if not. Or somewhere, I don't know. But that or the EEC power relay, which is next to the computer on the passenger side. And fucking... I didn't even spend $1, to be honest, to get this thing going. I had that part already, so I did. Technically, I bought it eventually, or a couple months ago. But yeah, I don't want to make the video too long. Thank you guys. Hopefully somebody checks me out, and maybe it might help you. Take it easy.